Hello, I'm Medium Jenny Lee, and welcome to my first unboxing video, or in this case, the unpouching video. The unpouching video. Unpouching. I was looking for a way to get stones on a regular basis to get my collection going, because I don't have a lot of gemstones or crystals or much of anything. And I just spent a lot of time reading this book, The Pocket Book of Stones by Robert Simmons. And you can see that it's a very hefty little sucker. It has a lot of stones. I don't even know how many stones there are, but there was, let's see, 353 pages of stones. And I read through the whole thing, and there's no way ever that I would be able to remember all of them or know what all of them do. So I was looking around trying to find a way for me to get some stones, gemstones and crystals. And you know, they have you can get a box of anything a month from, you know, whatever you can think of. So Crate Joy was offering the Crystal Gemstone Shop, and they had a couple different pricing plans. And of course, I'm not trying to get the really expensive one because, you know, gotta be thrifty. So this is through Crate Joy, the Crystal Gemstone Shop. This is where I'm getting my pouch of the month. So here's the different prices. They have Stone of the Month, which is $6.41, and you get 2 gemstones, which is what I'm doing, because, you know, I'm a penny pincher. But you can also get jewelry, crystals, and stones, and then you can get small clusters and, you know, probably pyramids and, you know, wands and whatever. So this is what I've started, and that's what I'm going to be using for these Stone of the Month videos. I thought I'd share in case anybody else was interested. I was happy with my first one. I wish I could afford the higher boxes, but as you can see, the price jumps up quite a bit. But that's what I'll be using, and I can't wait to see what I get for September. But anyway, so I went with the cheapest one, and I got this a few days ago. And I'm going to open it with you all and see what I got. So first of all, the packaging is awesome. It's all sparkling, rainbowy and whatnot. It's real pretty. Real pretty like. The glue on these is, holy moly. Yikes. Can I open it without a pair of scissors? I get my old lady strength here. God almighty, look at the glue. Look at all that. Okay, I'm getting somewhere, I think. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, let's see what's in it. It's stuck on the glue. Too much glue! Too much glue! Holy criminy. Okay. Pink Garnet Tumbled and Pyrite Tumbled. So this is the 2 gemstones a month. Pink, Garnet, and Pyrite. They're both tumbled, so they ought to be nice and smooth and, oh goodness gracious, now there's tape. struggling with tape. Struggle. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Okay, I got it open. Okay, so we have a cute little box. It's got a little cushiony thing in it. And we have 2 stones that are wrapped in some tissue paper. This one, I would assume, well, it does have some pink in it. You can see there's little swatches of pink, so maybe that's the pink garnet. Yes, because this is definitely the pyrite. Pyrite is fool's gold, am I right? Am I right? Isn't that what they call it? I used to have some of this when I was a kid. I wonder what happened to the ones I had. Because it's shiny and sparkly and it kind of looks like gold, but it's not. It's not gold. Okay, so we have these 2 stones. This one's really cool. It's like a cylinder. It's nice and smooth. I like these little splotchy pinks. Pink garnet. Okay. So they sent a little paper with it. The August gemstone box from the Crystal Gemstone Shop. Stones that resonate with the heart chakras and prosperity from within. Oh, the heart chakra. That's what I've been having to keep working on continuously. My heart chakra. For forgiveness and whatnot. Pink garnet, a gorgeous stone in deep hues of contrasting color. Pink garnet is a gemstone that resonates with the heart chakra and crown chakra, bringing them together for communication, understanding, appreciation of who you are. Pink garnet resonates with all paths of love and hope in your life and brings out the best within your heart and soul. All right, sounds pretty good to me. And the pyrite. So sparkly. It's so sparkly. Look at it. Okay. Pyrite is a powerful stone for protection. It has long been hailed for its protective powers and ability to shield anyone holding it or wearing the stone from negative energy, evil spirits, psychic attacks, malicious magic, magic with a K, etc. In its ability to protect, it also promotes healing of voids and ruptures throughout the 3 bodies while sweeping clean the chakras and auric field. When you wear or hold pyrite, you open a gateway of energy for attracting success, prosperity, and good luck in your life. When you want to cast protective spells or cleansing rituals, it's best to surround yourself in pyrite, either in a grid or a circle formation. The pyrite stone will siphon away the negative energy and build your positive energy. The more you work with pyrite, the better you will find yourself with clarity, balance, and peace from deep within. Pyrite is an incredibly powerful and influential stone. And it's sparkly. It's so sparkly. Okay, well these are pretty neat. I'm happy with these. I was thinking that the pink garnet would be more pink. It's like, it's more purpley, really. I always hate that when they call things a color and it's not the right color. Like, you know, red grapes, but they're actually purple grapes. What the heck? Okay, so let's take a look at the pocketbook of stones, and I'm not going to read word for word what it says because that's probably copyright infringement. But I'll go through and pick out some things that the book says about it, and say it in my own words, you know. Paraphrase. It's called paraphrasing. Paraphrasing. If I can find them. It's in alphabetical order. You think this would be easier. Okay, let's go to pyrite, because I know that one for sure is in here. Peridot, there's my birthstone. Pyrite. Okay, so it has a masculine energy. On here, in this book, it says it's good for the solar plexus, which is all about your will, which I guess kind of fits with what they said in their paper, because it's protecting, and you can use it for your own good energies. Let's see. Can overcome fear. And being assertive. Positive attitude. And getting rid of negativity. So that's pretty much what it was saying in there too. Here's something interesting about pyrite. Its name comes from the Greek word for fire. And the most important places that they find it are in Italy, Spain, and Peru. Very interesting. Yes, increases your third chakra power. And get rid of bad habits. New patterns for positivity and health and energy. Gives you a can-do attitude. Boop, boop, boop. Can stimulate creativity for art, mathematics, sculpture, architecture, science, etc. Feeds ambition, commitment, and persistence. Helps you be assertive in your actions. So, yeah, sounds pretty good. Then let's see if the pink garnet is in this book. It's probably under G for garnet. Let's hope. Or not. There's a lot of garnets in here, but I don't think that pink is in here. There's a lot of different types of garnets, people. Did you know that? I didn't know that until I read this book. Lots of garnets. I don't think that this particular garnet is in this book. These are the garnets that are, these are the garnets I know. Gossular? Gossular. I don't know if that is, it fits in the gossular. You never watched my streams before, you may not know that I'm really bad at pronouncing things. So let's try this one. Sapesartine. That doesn't look like that one. Rhodolite. That's like the one that I'm used to seeing. Almandine. Ranges from orange red to purple red, so maybe that's our pink garnet. I was reading the garnet almandine, and I think that might be the culprit here, because the other one is black, and then there's one that's bluish green, and then there's a rainbow one. Vivid shades of red, green, and blue green. Red, green, and blue green. That's not it. So it's got to be this one. This garment. It's not a piece of clothing. You can't wear this. Almandine, because it says that its colors range from red, orange to purplish red, and that's what this is. Absolutely, is a purpley color. So, as you can see, different places call different stones different things. So the Crystal Gemstone Shop is referring to this as pink garnet, and my lovely gemstone book includes it under the almandine. Almandine? Something like that. Okay, so let's read a little bit about this. It's for strength and security. It says it's for the root chakra, so this is not fitting with the pink garnet description at all. Dispels negativity, worry, panic, helps one adhere to truth, It's for grounding protection. It's found in Sri Lanka, India, Afghanistan, Brazil, Austria, and the Czech Republic. And is a stone of the ancient times. Okay. Enhances vitality and endurance. So I don't know whether to keep reading about this because I don't know if it's exactly the same kind of garnet. There could be more garnets that aren't in this book. So we'll just go with what the description says from the Gemstone Shop about the pink garnet. So there we have them, the pink garnet and the pyrite. So this was the other thing I would like to do. So my lovely book here talks about meditating with stones to basically gain what this is all talking about, you know, like the different types of things that each stone can do. And I know that stones are used a lot in different kind of healings, but you can also meditate with them, which I've only meditated with rose quartz before so far. So I was just going to take a couple minutes to meditate with each one and then just tell you what I see, feel, hear, sense, whatever. So let's start with the pink garnet because we did that one first. So I'm just going to hold it in my hands and I'm going to focus on my breathing and kind of clear my mind and then see what I get from the beautiful pink purple garnet. Okay, here we go. I'm starting to feel something happening here. Which would be your third eye chakra, not your crown chakra. I feel like I just saw like this like flick of color up here. It's like it came down from the top and it kind of flicked in front of me. It seemed kind of like a yellowish orange. I feel like I'm seeing the pattern of the stone across my eyes, like that swatchy kind of pattern. I do feel something with my heart now. So I'm not really picking up on anything else yet. I might try, see, it was for heart and crown. So let's see, put it on my heart. It'd probably be better if I actually put it on my skin. Let's try that. I feel like it's like kicking me. Weird. I don't know how a rock can kick you. It doesn't have any feet, but that's what it felt like. Yeah, it's just like this weird sensation of like pressure being put. And it's not just me pushing on it, it's like something different. Okay. And then the crown chakra, which is the top of my head. I'm gonna look real silly holding this thing on top of my head, but I'm gonna hold it because I don't want it to roll off. It's, you know, it's a roundish. Oh, my heart still feels weird. Oh, goodness. Okay. I know I'm not really feeling anything with the top of my head. So, interesting. This one likes to kick you. Okay, alright. And then the pyrite. Let's try you out, buddy. Buddy old pal. So, the book said this one was for the solar plexus. And the paper says it's good for cleaning all chakras in the auric field. So, for positivity. This one definitely has a different feeling. It feels kind of electric already. For the other one, I felt like I was having to like dig deeper to find something. This one feels like there's already things going on. See, like little goldish white sparks, almost like a sparkler. Yeah, it like really is making the palm of my hand sound weird. I do get the sense that there's like that as I'm holding onto it, that sensation that I'm feeling in my palms is like really traveling throughout. Like I guess what you would say was the auric field. Like I get the sense that it really is doing that. A really weird sensation. It's really cool. Definitely. I mean, I think both of them said that it was a strong stone. I can definitely feel that. It has a lot of energy to it. So, so those were the two stones for August from the Crystal Gemstone Shop. Pink garnet and pyrite. Purple garnet? No. Pink garnet, just like they're not purple grapes, they're red grapes. Okay. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a subscription. You know, hit the notification, whatever, you know, these YouTube people say. I'll be back to do another one in September for this, and I'll be making some other videos soon. Probably some tarot readings for the world. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you come back and watch some more. Bye-bye!